Hi. All right, we're going to get started. I've started making ledger pages to go in my ledger journal that I covered in a video or two ago. So I'm making individual pages to store in my ledger journal. And I've gathered some of the things that I'm going to use. I've got some of the ticket essentials, some laser cuts, sentiment rub-on, and I've got like this cute little thing here. This is a piece of Seth Apter's fabric. I was lucky enough, he gave me some of his fabric when he stopped by a couple weeks ago. And I love the colors, think it goes perfect with this collection. And did you know 49 Market now has lace? We have white lace, cream lace, and black lace. And I've added some ink to this cream lace, and I'm gonna run it up to my sewing room and sew those pieces together and get started on this page. All right, that worked. I'm keeping those strings on here from the sewing machine just because they add, you know, some nice texture and variation to this. So I'm ready to get started building my page. Okay, now that I have most of my elements together for this page, I'm gonna go ahead and just start building the page. I'm gonna use the grid line on this ledger paper to kind of line up this piece of vintage fabric tape that I'm using. And let's see, I'm gonna glue this on. I could use like matte medium or something, but I think what I'm gonna do, actually, I'm gonna use this big glue stick. Have you ever seen this? It's like super big, super wide. Mine's gotten kind of gooey lately. I don't know why that is. Is it age? Does it get like watery and gooey as time goes on? Blah. But I think it'll be easier to stick. Okay. Go like that. Yeah, goes down nice. Yeah, I think the glue stick makes it easy to adhere to the paper. Put my lid back on. Then before I start adding things, I'm gonna go in and put on my sentiment. So that's gonna go up here. Again, another nice thing with the grid paper, the ledger paper, is that I can line up the lines to make sure I'm actually straight. Sometimes I think I'm straight and I'm not. And I'm just using a Sussex burnisher. It came in one of their toolkits and should work just fine for this. Had it handy, so that's what I grabbed. And then peel off the rub-on. I always go really slowly in case I missed anything, because then you can see, like, look, you can see that I missed part of the T, and I can just lay it back down and rub again. And I haven't ruined anything that way if I go really slowly like that. Whoops, except there I just did, but that's fine. It's got a kind of grungy vibe to it, so it's okay. All right, now I'm gonna figure out pieces and what I want to do here. I think I'm going to glue this down. I'm going to go back to my regular glue. So that glue stick really got kind of gnarly. I don't know what was wrong. If anyone knows why it got all wet, please let me know in the comments below. I would appreciate it. I'm just going to kind of build up different ephemera. I had a photo that I think I want to use for this. One of the photos my daughter took when she was doing some urban exploring. We'll see. Let's see if I want to, how can I fit that in? That kind of works, right? Or do I go down like this? Maybe I go down like this. So that way I'm kind of building it across the page a little bit more. Okay. So, I mean, there's no right or wrong answers when you're creating a journal page. It's just all creative exploration and collaging. I use a lot of design principles, you know, the rules of three, the visual triangle, all those classic things. Some things I don't even think I realize I'm using. They're just ingrained in me, whether from school days, design school days, or just from working and scrapbooking and making stuff. There are things I like and there's things I don't like. I mean, isn't that how it is for everyone? There are things you like and things that appeal to you and you want more of, and you know, things you stay away from. So do I want it there? No, I think I'm gonna come down here. And again, kind of mix it in with the lace texture. I really like that 49 Market has added some lace to our offering. You know, it's nice. I think it's cotton lace and gives you some good texture. All right, let's see. Another ticket. Can never have enough of these ticket essentials. You know, we came out with them in every color, whoops, every color under the sun, so that they can go with everything and can collect them and use them again and again. And okay, I made a mess of that. Let's try again. I'm gonna layer another one on top. And you could ink the edges and all that kind of stuff with these. Sometimes I do, more times I don't. I like to mix the clean with the grunge. And these are all just little laser cuts from the Vintage Artistry Nature Study foliage laser cuts that I designed for 49 Market. All right, I'm gonna add a little bug. Gonna try to get his little legs so that they don't come off. All right, just like that. There we go. Add some visual interest. Okay, well, like heck, I don't know if I need a photo frame. You know, it's almost like I could put it in there without a photo, kind of framing the mushrooms and giving visual interest. That works. I'm gonna go with that. Whoops. So glue this up. Get all the edges. And I love that this frame already has stuff on it. Oh, and you know what? Now that I'm thinking about it, I didn't get these lasers from the foliage pack. I got these from the Nature Study page kit. I don't know if you know this, but okay, so we offer all of the laser cuts in their own packs, but in the page kit, it's all separate. So they're new, different things that you're not gonna find necessarily in the other packs, and certainly not like the same sizes and stuff. So they really help you mix things up. You don't have to make the scrapbook pages with the page kits. You can do things like this. And I'm thinking I need something else like right there. I'm gonna go with adding a butterfly there. Just felt like the ticket by itself just was incomplete. Needed something else. So a butterfly completes that for me. And there, my page is all done. Let me get my journal here. Okay, open my journal and add that in, just like that. All done. Awesome. All right, thanks for joining me. Be sure to like and subscribe and follow along for the next time I'm here making pages. Thanks. See you again soon.